If you want a job that is recession-proof and a job that pays well, Long Beach City College Automotive Technology is here for you. Hi, my name is Danny Tan. I'm an automotive instructor at Long Beach City College. In the Automotive Technology program at Long Beach City College, we offer an AS degree and a certificate of completion in automotive technology. We have a stackable certificate, which is a series certificate that you will earn as you're working for your AS degree or certificate of completion in automotive technology.
My first class here, I learned how to change my oil, and now I'm rebuilding engines. I've learned so much and become very confident being in this program.
2 years ago, this was just a hobby of mine and a slight interest. Now I'm actually in the industry working for the college part-time. This really allows me to build a resume that employers are looking for. Here, the instructors at Long Beach City College take you under their wings, point you in the right direction, and make you feel like a family.
If you want to learn the skills that will help you in your future automotive career, enroll at LBCC today.
So register for automotive technology at Long Beach City College. We're here to help you.